In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own book cover in under 10 minutes using Canva. Let's dive right in. Canva is a fantastic tool for beginners and professionals alike, thanks to its user-friendly interface and a wide array of design templates. So, whether you're publishing an ebook on Amazon or simply want a beautiful cover for your personal project, Canva has got you covered. First, head to the Canva website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, fear not, signing up is free and only takes a couple of minutes. Once you're in, you'll see a search bar on the top of the page. Type book cover into it and hit enter. This is where the fun begins because you'll instantly find a plethora of templates right at your fingertips. These templates vary in style, color, and genre, offering a ton of starting points for your book cover design. Choose a template that resonates with the theme of your book and click on it to start customizing. With your chosen template open in the design editor, it's time to let your creativity take center stage. You can change the text by simply clicking on it. Canva makes this remarkably easy. Just click on the text you want to modify and type in your book's title, as well as any additional text like the author's name. Don't forget, this is the first thing a potential reader will see, so make those words count. Once your text is in place, don't hesitate to play around with fonts. Canva gives you a wide variety of fonts to choose from. Take the time to find one that perfectly matches the vibe and tone of your book. Remember, fonts can convey a lot about the genre and mood of your book, so choose wisely. Adjust the position, size, and color of your text to make sure it stands out and is easy to read. Next up, let's focus on the images. The template you picked might already have some great graphics or images, but you're free to change these to better suit your book's theme. Simply click on the existing image and either delete it or replace it by choosing from Canva's extensive library of free images. Alternatively, you can upload your own images if you have specific graphics in mind. Now, it's essential to think about the color scheme. Colors can evoke emotion and add depth to your design, so select a palette that complements your book's theme. You can adjust the colors of the template by clicking on the elements like background or text and using Canva's color selection tool. Finally, take a step back, review your design, and make any necessary tweaks. Once you're satisfied with your creation, hit the download button at the top of the page. Choose your preferred file format, PDF for print, or PNG for digital use. Congratulations! You've just designed a professional-looking book cover within a matter of minutes. Whether it's for fiction, non-fiction, self-help, or any other genre, your personalized book cover will undoubtedly capture the attention of potential readers. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!